guys, so for this project, um, this was to remodel an old food city so that it could become a gym. We just did a bit of concrete in this job area, so basically it was pouring in some concrete in the old freezer section of the food city. So those sections usually get um, broken down, worn down because of the freezing temperatures, and then constant drainage, water, and things like that on it. So it was damaged. We saw cut that old section out and then just put in a new concrete. You could kind of see this is the new concrete over here, and then this is the old existing concrete. Um, since the freezer was back here, and we also put in we also did a pourback. They're putting in some new plumbing. So they socket this out, and we just did a pour back for that as well. So I'll just let you guys see the video, some short clips of the the job site when we were at the job. So this is an old food city. It's gonna become a new gym. So what we're working on here, the 3,000 around 3,000 square feet of concrete. You can see it right here. Old concrete, new concrete. This used to be the freezer section, so the concrete was pretty beat up. And basically that, and just trenching pour back for plumbing.